Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to import passwords from Firefox to Microsoft Edge browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, open Edge browser, then click on this one menu icon in the top right corner and select Settings in the drop down menu. In the left sidebar, select Profiles and on the right, click on this one Passwords option. On the right sidebar, beside settings option, click on this one triple dot menu and select import passwords. In import from drop down menu, select Mozilla Firefox, then click on this one import button. This should import all the passwords that you have saved for certain domains on your Firefox browser.